coil. We had a little issue trying to get it to fire up. Just the coil was bad. We didn't have any spark for some reason. I even had to get out the starter and try to spin it a little quicker. Sometimes it just doesn't spark, or you can't really see it until you get it spinning a little quicker. But we were in 6th gear with a strap on the tire, and it wasn't doing anything. We put the starter on it, spun it, still nothing. Tried a new plug, an old plug, nothing. We have the coil that came with the RV-XX. The coil that was on the cart stayed on the cart when we swapped motors. So I swapped over first just the coil and jumped the grounds and stuff, and it sparked. Hooked it up to our extended plug wire. We have a NGK plug extension that we used to see. Maybe the plug extender went bad, and it still had spark with our boot on it. So then we knew it was the coil. We swapped the coil out, bolted it all down good and hard. Took a couple extra pulls, but we got it started. She's running now. Just gonna run it a little bit. Still got the side panel to cut up yet. We gotta mount the air box solidly, and then get the nose on. Then we can, carve up the side panel to fit this engine in. It's all downhill from here. The wife's looking in. Happy anniversary, sweetie. I'll have a message for you personally later on. Looking forward to dining and dinner and flirting with the wife tonight. 25 years. It's pretty cool. That's it. We're just going to let it run a little bit. We're not going to spend a whole bunch of time letting it run. We checked out the leakage issue yesterday. No problem with any leaks in any fittings. So the water system is good. We just wanted to make sure it ran before we got to the track, and pretty glad we did, because I'd have been smoking mad and we got there and had no spark. So that's it for now. Once we get it all put together, we'll bring you some more, I guess. God bless everybody.